Hi guys, my name is Dan and today I am at Fugro and I'm gonna get some insight on their new project, the Robodock. What is it and what does it do? All these questions will be answered today, but first of all I have to find my star, Lex. Lex, can you tell me a little bit about what your role is here at Fugro?
In my role, I'm looking after the commercial rollout for our new robotics and autonomy solutions, and that's why I'm also involved with the Robodock project. We are working towards a completely uncrewed operation where we would like to replace the big vessels for uncrewed surface vessels. Well, and then that's basically where the Robodock comes into play. Because you can build the same analogy, for instance, with lawnmowers that work with docking stations in your garden, where we need basically to sometimes recharge and refuel the uncrewed surface vessel at a favorable spot to continue its offshore mission. All right, let's go. So as you can imagine, with normal larger sized vessels, they can just go out for a normal inspection and maintenance routine and do the whole job at the same time and then go back to the next project or go back to port. With a USV or an uncrewed surface vessel, that type of operation is slightly different. So it has limited endurance and every now and then you need to come back to port for small maintenance activities or refueling or recharging the batteries. So with a Robodock close to site or closer to the wind farm, we can really optimize or maximize the utilization of the USV close to site, which helps us to be more efficient in the way we operate and inspect the wind farm and stay longer out there in the field, which is I guess also a benefit to our clients and will help to make the whole operation more cost efficient. We are standing here currently in front of the pool where our newly built electrical ROV is tested, and our USV and electrical ROV solution are almost ready to go to market. But indeed, for the Robodock, we need to take a few additional steps still. Firstly, we are working with our partners to develop the first version of the Robodock that will be positioned close to a harbor site where it's nice and safely sheltered from the extreme wave conditions that are further out there offshore. This first version will most likely be ready around the first quarter of next year.
Lex, thanks for telling me everything about the Robodock project. Do you have any last words for the audience? Let's switch it up. I will hand you the camera now.
And the question I have to you is, in Fugro we are quite advanced already in the way we want to perform these type of uncrewed operations. Our uncrewed vessel is almost ready to go for its first project. But my question to you is, by when do you think no people will be required offshore for maintenance activities close to your wind farm, and will be all activities offshore be done without any human intervention offshore? Thanks a lot for your attention.